I'm gonna go see a guy about some limes. All right?
That would be the worst part.
It's like, if you're gonna do it, at least, like, put some effort.
He's gonna break one of my windows with it, but he's gonna love it.
Feel free to... Yeah, it's gonna be good. Yeah, just some scared. I'm gonna do the Kobe filet. Good choice.
Don't worry. We're gonna fix it.
Fix it.
I'm gonna go deal with the boogers.
Thank you. Room. I'm just gonna quickly run and grab it. Sorry.
All right, I'm gonna get those turned in, and I will.
Depends anyway. I'm gonna go clean up.
Yeah, of course. I could do. I'm gonna go. I'll be right back. 2 minutes. I'm not gonna look at that. Actual toothpaste.
Of course, yes. We're gonna be fine, right? We're gonna be fine.
Thanks, little man. You gonna be good for Auntie Jen?
Does he know about...
Would you mind? I'm gonna look around here, but would you mind just asking the hostess if anyone... All right, I'm gonna get it from the bar.
No, I got it.
You know, you're just gonna go and you have a nice dinner, and well, you're gonna be glad you're wearing this.
I think we're gonna stay. Weird that I did that.
No, it's actually really sweet. He's gonna love it. He's gonna...
Who is gonna be covering this? Oh, okay.
Looks like he's having a really rough...
Are you trying to tell me that you're gonna count these poor sons?
Aren't you gonna play Martini? Martini?
I'm not even gonna look at this
Yeah,
one.
let me check. Just...
This keeps happening. I'm gonna have to start taking it personally.
He's gonna love it. He's gonna break one of my windows with it, but he's gonna love it.
I'm not gonna lie, she's pricey, especially for a first.
I am. I'm gonna assume you're Diane.
That's right.
It's gonna be so great.
Hi.
Fine, right? We're gonna be fine.
Okay.
With me over here, I'm gonna give each and every one of you a rod.
Say that now. You're gonna pull that henhouse shit now. When the vote, the chief just voted, it was 10-9. Now I want that.
Just say goodbye to me, Mac.
Sure, I'm gonna.
So I'm just gonna get over it. I'm good.
They gonna be sharing more than just the bottles, ain't they? You know what I mean.
Where you going?
I'm gonna take Candy for a stroll.
I got you.
I'm all back. Coming right up. I'm just gonna grab
Oh,
these.
yeah, of course.
Slang.
This will keep you from biting your tongue.
Oil.
Now just bite down on it.
Slang.
This will keep you from biting your tongue.
Oil.
Now just bite down on it. That's right.
Yeah, I was gonna get rid of these pants anyway. I'm just gonna go...
About my wife. When are you gonna get that through your thick fucking head? To trot. Next woman takes me on is gonna light up like a pinball machine and pay off and.
Slang.
This will keep you from biting your tongue.
Oil.
Now just bite down on it.
This ain't gonna take long, Rose. You know what I mean?
Now what are we gonna do with these little fishes?
I'm gonna miss you very. Are you gonna marry her?
No.
Boy, huh? That son of a gun's gonna bite on you. Let me see that face.
And you're with us, and you're gonna stay with us until we let you go.
I'm gonna present you with this.
Slang.
This will keep you from biting your tongue.
Oil.
Now just bite down on it.
Where you going?
Aren't you gonna play?
What's the matter with you?
Aren't you gonna play?
We're gonna study you. We'll make our deal.
Ah, come on. You're not gonna say that now. You're not gonna say that now. You're gonna pull that. I'm gonna put it through the window, and me and my buddy Cheswick are gonna go out through the hall, downtown.
Brush all the air out of her. We're gonna put her in the basket. You understand? All right, man.
Sure, I'm gonna say goodbye to you, Charles.
Hey, Mac.
Belt's head. I'm gonna take this fucking thing. I'm gonna put it through the window, and me and my buddy.
Well, you're gonna be here for a period for us to evaluate you.
There's his papers, and I'm gonna need a signature.
I work. That little devil's gonna not even feel the sting, is he, boy? Huh? That's the... This.
I'm gonna serve that for show and tell because Bram used to.
But we're gonna straighten him right up now, aren't we, Forrest?
Forrest!
It's
says you were gonna burn this woman down.
What am I gonna do now? What am I gonna do now?
You never know what you're gonna get.
I should have known it was just gonna be some bullshit hassle.
Stars.
Mama's gonna worry about me. Just stay a little longer.
Now, they told us that Vietnam was gonna be very different from the United... If I'd have known this was gonna be the last time me and Bubba was gonna talk, I'd have thought it...
Private Gup here is gonna be a shrimp boat captain.
No, I'm gonna be all right. And you're gonna swallow what I give you to swallow.
Gum, sir.
Yeah, well, you better tuck that in. Gonna get that caught on a tripwire.
Hey, Bubba.
I'm gonna lean up against you. You just lean right back against me. This way we don't.
He's gonna have to go to special school. He'll beat you.
Get Bubba.
I got an airstrike inbound right now. They're gonna nade the whole area. Dump you.
I'm gonna go pinch a loaf. When I come back, this is all gone, all right?
Show.
Well, you're gonna sit down, aren't you?
Bubba was gonna be a shrimp and boat captain, but...
Dumb shit, what do you think the government's gonna do to me? Take a big wet...
It's gonna lead to somebody. Sure it is, but not to me. And certainly not to the world. Ain't you gonna scream?
Good luck.
Now, I'm gonna open my fly, and you're gonna swallow.
He's gonna wind up in here wearing a number himself. Now, Red, I thought you had a little more faith in me than that.
I want me a pork chop. Oh, yes.
Some asshole's gift.
Jeez Louise, you gonna see any of that?
35,000.
Gonna ask for something. Ask for a pool table. Right.
Open it, you're gonna stand there with your thumb up your butt.
Thumb up my butt sounds better.
Brooks, you're not gonna hurt Haywood. We all know that. Even Haywood knows that, right, Haywood?
I know that.
They find it, you're gonna lose it.
Be here. Not me.
I ain't gonna count to 3. I'm not even gonna count. You're gonna look funnier sucking my dick with no teeth.
What I mean is, do you think
It's all over.
gonna kill all those guys?
Hey, stay out of it, Mickey. Do me a favor. So long as it's the key, you get rid of him every time.
10 cigarettes.
That's a rich bet.
All right, who's gonna prove me? I didn't, since you asked. You gonna fit right in.
The chauffeur, it's...
Anything you put in my mouth, you're gonna lose.
No,